Yeah, good day guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa. Welcome to Deactivate channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate Windows 10 product key all by yourself. And maybe you have a particular reason why you want to do it. I don't really care, but you just want to do it, and maybe you actually bought a new product key and you want to replace it with the old one, or personal reasons that is best known to you. So I'll be showing you how you can easily do that, as in removing or deactivating Windows 10 product key without any tools, without downloading any software, by just using a simple command. So in case, and if you could remember, in my previous video I actually talked about how to find Windows 10 product key without using any tools. So in case you missed the video, at the top right of this video you actually see a card that will link you to that video, and you watch the video and you learn the steps, and you will do it all by yourself in a matter of seconds. And if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, you can actually or kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release another important videos just like this. And hey, automatically you have become family of this channel. So if you're a returning visitor to this channel, I say welcome again. You're welcome. So now let's get down straight to business. Like I said, we are not going to be using any tools, just like we did in finding the product key. So what you'll actually do is, so still the same method, you go to your command prompt. Actually, I've been using it for a while, so you have to type command prompt and Apple pop up. And hey, before you proceed, always ensure that you are running as an administrator, which is as indicated here. So now once you're here, the next thing you have to type a command, a simple command, which is slmgr, then /upk. And once you type this command, you hit the enter button, you actually see that your product key will be removed. Now this video I'm just using it as a tutorial video. I don't want to hit or remove my product key at the moment, but if you should try this, you see, and hit the enter button, you see that your product key will be removed once you go back and check at the activation spot. So if you try this and it worked out for you, you can kindly go to the comment section and say yes, hey, you tried it, it worked out peacefully, and also give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, I'm not actually removing my product key, I'm just using this as a tutorial video. So that is why I'm just doing this. And if you do it, you actually got the prompt that your key has been removed successfully. It will pop up somewhere here. So that is just a simple way you can do that. So if you find this video interesting enough, and if it worked for you, if it is informative enough, you can actually go to the bottom and give this video a thumbs up, and it will actually make the YouTube algorithm to push this video for people like you who needs this information to see it and benefit from it. And before you leave, if you've not done that, you still have the time to kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification before you get notified whenever I release important videos just like this. Because if you go to our playlist, you see so many important videos that are all related to technology, and their tutorials that will benefit you. So with that, we've come to the very end of this video, and like I said from the beginning, I'm Chibuzo Agowa is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So we'll see in my next video. Bye bye for now.